back, or welcome to Katrena's Price's Home, Life, and More. I share home decor for every season and most holidays. Tablescapes, indoor and outdoor inspiration. Cooking in my Price's kitchen. Cleaning motivation, shopping hauls, and so much more. New videos Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And a fun live stream the first Saturday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Let's get into today's outdoor tablescape. Introductions are in order. I am Katrena. I am a sister, a daughter, a servant, and a pastor. And I love sharing, bits and pieces of my life. All of the things I mentioned in the beginning of today's video. If these are things that truly interest you, please, by all means, come on and join my growing Prices family. Hit that subscription once, hit the bell twice, so you never miss a future upload. Now back to the video, and stick and stay. You don't want to miss the big reveal. Of course, my table is budget friendly. Let's get into it. The tablecloth, either from Ross or Amazon, less than $15. This palm placemat, a Hobby Lobby find for $4.99 with 40% off. The charger was a Dollar General purchase, and it was only $1. The dinner plate, I purchased it from Rose's for just $1. The salad plate and bowl, well, it was actually a full set, but someone broke the plates. And that set was less than $40. They came from Home Depot. The napkins, $4.99. Again, Hobby Lobby, 40% off. And the napkin rings, well, can't remember where I purchased them from, but it's budget friendly. This glass, $1 from the thrift store. And this iridescent glass, $1 when Dollar Tree was really $1. And the picture was a Dollar General find, $3.50 on the clearance aisle. I had so much fun putting together today's outdoor tropical vibe tablescape, and I hope that it gave you some inspiration and motivation for your next outdoor dining experience with family and friends. So much so that, give me a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below. And if you're looking for budget-friendly outdoor decor and more, shop my Amazon storefront. The link is in the bio and the description box below. I have curated idea lists just for you. And of course, it's open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for your shopping enjoyment. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember you are absolutely priceless.